Hi friends, for all the mathematics solutions, derivations, formulas, please subscribe and click the bell icon here. Thank you. Hi, I am Murali, maths teacher. So today we will learn trigonometry, trigonometry exercise 6.1, eighth problem, second one. Eighth problem, second one. So first we will write what the given in the problem. If cot theta plus tan theta equal to x and cot theta plus tan theta equal to x and secant theta minus cos theta equals to y, secant theta minus cos theta equals to y, then prove that x square y whole power 2 by 3 minus x y square 2 by 3 equals to 1. This you have to prove. Okay. So we will see how to prove this. So first we have to simplify this x value what they give and y value we have to simplify. So first we will take x values. Solution cot theta plus tan theta equals to x. First we'll simplify this. Cot theta, how to write? Cos theta by sin theta plus tan theta sin theta by cos theta equals to x. Take LCM, sin theta cos theta LCM, sin theta cos theta LCM. Then do cross multiplication. So cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta plus sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta equals to x. Now this is one identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta, answer is 1. So 1 by sin theta cos theta equals to x. So x answer we got. In the same way we have to find y answer by taking this. Secant theta minus cos theta equals to y. Secant theta minus cos theta equals to y. Secant theta 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equals to y. Cos theta write as cos theta by 1. Take LCM. Cos theta and 1. Cos theta LCM. Do cross multiplication. 1 into 1, 1. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta equals to y. 1 minus cos square theta, answer is sin square theta divided by cos theta equals to y. This is y answer. And here we got x answer. This x answer, y answer, you have to substitute here and prove that we have to get 1. Okay. So we got x answer. X answer we got as 1 by sin theta cos theta. This one we got. And y answer we got as sin square theta by cos theta. Y answer we got. Now what we have to prove, that we will take now, LHS. We have to take that x square y whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square whole power 2 by 3. This is LHS. And if you simplify this, we have to get answer as 1. Okay. X square. What is x answer? 1 by sine theta cos theta. Square means 1 square 1. Sine square cos square into, so x square answer I wrote. Y means this one. Sine square theta by cos theta. This whole power 2 by 3 minus x 1 by sine theta cos theta into y square. So already we have square here, that means it becomes a sine power 4 theta by, this becomes square only, whole power 2 by 3. 2 by 3 is there, no, like that. Okay. Now sine square theta cancel, equals to cos square theta into cos theta, cos cube theta. So you will get like this, 1 by cos cube theta whole power 2 by 3 minus, here sine power 4 theta we have, sine theta we have. 1 sine theta we cancel, remaining 3 will be there here. So sine cube theta by cos theta into cos square theta, cos cube theta whole power 2 by 3. Now this power 2 by 3 is there, now apply for this. For both you write 1 power 2 by 3, 1 only. Cos power 2 by 3, cos cube theta whole power 2 by 3 minus, this also same. For this you write 2 by 3 power, sine cube theta whole power 2 by 3, cos cube theta whole power 2 by 3. Now here 3 cube cancel, 3 cube cancel, 3 cube cancel. So remaining you write now 1 by cos square theta, square is there now, minus here sine square theta, this one cos square theta, equals to, for both you take LCM, cos square theta LCM. Next, so LCM is same one, you know, just write this 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta, we know this answer, cos square theta divided by cos square theta, cancel, answer is 1, that is equals to RHS, hence proved. That's all. No, observe this here, we took x square y 2 power 3 minus xy square 2 power 3. This we simplify this, we got answer as 1. That only they asked in the previous problem. Observe this. This is the problem. If cot theta plus tan theta equal to x and secant theta minus cos theta equal to y, prove that x square y to whole power 2 by 3 minus xy square whole power 2 by 3 equals to 1. So we took this and we simplified, we got one answer. This one. So observe these steps you observe. First what we did. First we took this x answer cot theta tan theta here. We simplified, we got x answer as 1 by sin theta cos theta. Then we took secant theta minus cos theta, answer y. We simplified this, we got y answer sin square theta cos theta. Then we took this LHS here. We took LHS and we simplified. We got answer as 1, nothing but RHS. Hence it is proved. Okay, thank you.